vinegar and leeks on top.
I have here sibuyas and
A very simple concoction.
oh yeah.
Soy sauce, sugar, and a little bit of vinegar. Drizzle that over and I garnish with my fresh leeks.
Hindi na, ano yun, mamatay ka. Ano yun,
And we're
pasok.
done.
Naghanap ka na. This one.
Tanong ka, hindi ko man yung anak, ipuga. Pasok na yun.
Fresh and very healthy as well. Try this at home and tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya mag-luto, basta
Simple! Simple lang.
Hindi mo hiwaan? Nila, hiwaan nila.
share this video and like it.
Iwaan natin. Wait ha. Yan, hiwa. I don't like hiwa here. Isa doha.
For a barbecue and all that must be there.
Mas nilalit mo sa maluto.
Fish steak.
Ano daw kasay?
Fried pampano with ayam. Very nice.
This is Pompano.
I will just score pampano. It's something that really love it. Hindi lang siya pang pampano, no? You can eat whatever fish you love fried. Very delicious. Simple blend of the soy sauce, then the calamansi with blood.
Ipuga niya, niya pinuga. Pasok niya ito.
Fried or fish.
Kaya patuha ko na dito.
Not
Pwede
too
ra.
much outside because the soy sauce will be a bit salty,
Kani.
but very important inside the cabbage. Inside the fish, be sure to
Half lahat kayo, di ba pinakisda?
and we have to keep out our
Ipuga niya, yung slice niya para mapasok niya gusto yan.
in the meantime. Everything that part of it is steak, and part of it is served raw.
Hindi ko pa naman siya nilamit. Ang tanggal man siya. Lansa. Lansa. Hey. This is now okay. And the other one. The other one.
Isa lang, no?
Dahunan. Dahunan.
Siguro na po ang ilaw para patong na siya.
Ang isa. Lagyan niyo plato mo. ka pura pa eh.
all the